Over the last 6 months, I've grown my new OnlyFans management agency to over $200,000 net using the very system I'm about to show you right now. In all of these different tabs, I have everything laid out step by step, but I just wanted to start here because there's a lot of people not practicing what they preach. They are teaching something they have not practiced, and I just wanted to show you up front that that's not me. So this is my QuickBooks account, and I'm gonna show you all of the deposits I've made into my account, and then I'll dive into the exact inner workings of the machine that generated me all of this income. And then I'm gonna actually show you step by step what we did to generate this amount of money in the past 6 months. But first, these are all the deposits made into my account over the last 6 months. As you can see, I got a $600 deposit, $1,600 deposit, $1,400, $800, $300, $300, $2,100, $400, $1,300, $1,300, $900, $300, $400, $1,700, $1,100, $1,900, $200, $2,000, $200, $300. So these are just the deposits for August, and we're halfway through the month. I'll get another 15 deposits by the end of this month. And I'll even take it a step further and actually show you what's in my bank account today. Because there's a lot of people who will talk about they're making millions and doing all this and doing all that, but they won't actually show you. Like I said, I'm different, so I'm actually gonna show you what's in my bank account. So as you can see in this top right-hand corner, I have $142,000 in my bank account today. So I'm gonna go ahead and scroll down till the first time I see $100,000 into my account. And as you can see right here on July 3rd is when I actually hit $100,000 into my bank account. Now I'm gonna keep scrolling down and show you when I actually hit $50,000 with this brand new business. And so we're gonna have to go to the next page. So if you see right here on May 5th is when we actually hit $50,000 with this brand new business in 2022. So if I scroll all the way down to the bottom, you'll see on February 4th that we only had $1,800 in our bank account. So from February 4th to August 18th, I was able to accumulate $142,000 into my bank account with this brand new business in just 6 months. Now, I'm not showing you this to brag. I just want to let you know that I actually practice what I preach. And this business is quickly becoming $1 million business. So right now we're going to dive into the inner workings of how I actually generated this income in such a short amount of time. My name's Tay Nelson, and I cracked the code on the absolute best business to start in 2022. OnlyFans marketing and management agency is by far the fastest and quickest growing business that you could start as a beginner in the online industry in 2022. And I'm gonna give you 3 solid reasons why this is not even debatable. Reason number 1 is the people you need to sell are not hard to reach. If you want to sell marketing to a business owner, then you have to reach the decision maker, which is usually the owner or the CEO. And you have to be able to sell them your services. But the issue is that these people are so hard to reach. They have receptionists, managers, directors, all in line, ready to stop you from actually reaching the decision maker, so you never even get to present your services to the person who could actually say yes. So in this OnlyFans industry, it's totally different. The decision maker is the model, and it's just one person, and they are very easy to reach. If you ever started a business in the past, then you know how hard it is to land clients. But with this industry, you're not gonna have any issues because the people you need to talk to, the people who can say yes, which are the models, are very easy to reach. On top of that, 90% of them are making less than $200 per month. So they actually do need your services. I also know that a lot of you haven't had success in the online space, not because you aren't skilled or have nothing to offer to a client. It's because you never actually had an opportunity to show the client your value because all the barriers it takes to actually reach the person who could actually say yes. Most of you have never had success because these industries are so oversaturated. And if you stay to the end of the video, I'll show you how you could partner with us, and we'll actually give you your first client so you could get the ball rolling immediately and sharpen your skills so that by the time you get your second and third client, you'll have complete confidence that you could actually generate some results. Reason number 2 why this business is the best business to start in 2022, and again, this is not even debatable, the OnlyFans industry is super hot right now. I've been in this industry for over 2 years, and there's only a few marketing agencies that are actually doing what we're doing. And to give you even more insight, 90% of the agencies that are doing what we're doing are only working with models who are making $10,000 or $20,000 per month, and they're helping them grow to $100,000 per month. I am one of a couple agencies that are actually helping models who are making nothing get to $10,000 and $20,000 per month. So that proves to you that this industry is not oversaturated. Number 1, there's not tons of competition. And number 2, 90% of the models are making less than $200 per month. This leaves the industry wide open to anyone who wants to join. Reason number 3, OnlyFans income is fast. The OnlyFans industry is the fastest growing and the fastest earning industry, hands down. The sales cycle for an OnlyFans model is instantaneous. How long does it take for someone to see a model and actually subscribe to her OnlyFans content? It takes less than 15 seconds. So that's where this industry differs from like the car dealership or the rental space, where it takes 3 to 4 months to close on a house and maybe 3 to 4 days to 3 to 4 weeks to actually close on a car. So in this industry, the customers find out about the model and they're subscribed within 15 seconds. It's that fast. Because of this, you can charge your clients every single week. And I've never been in the industry. I've never worked with a client where you could charge them every week. I've worked with hundreds of clients in the past, and it's all been monthly invoices, monthly billing. This is the first industry where I've been able to charge my clients every single week because the money is generated so fast that it only makes sense to charge your clients every single week. That allows you to get access to your money a lot sooner so you can actually put it back into play and make smart investments. We charge models on a weekly basis, and the best part is we work on commission. We charge the models a percentage of their net income, which turns out to be the best solution because a lot of these models don't actually have disposable income to actually pay you up front. So what you do is you work with the model for a week, you get her some results, and then you bill her based on her net income. So traditionally, we charge between 30 and 50%, depending on what we offer the models. And so every week, we get screenshots of the model's income, and then we bill them based on whatever service we're offering them. And just to show you how fast the income is generated on OnlyFans, I'm actually gonna log into a few accounts and actually show you how quickly this money has been generated after the models have partnered with us. So this is Leah. She came to us making $6,000 per month, and we grew her account to almost $40,000 in the first 30 days. Now here's another model that came to us about 2 or 3 months ago. She came to us making $1,600 a month, and we grew her account to over $12,000 in the first 30 days. This is Kat. She came to us making $300 per month, and we grew her account to over $7,000 in the first 30 days. This is Charity. She came to us making $200 per month, and 6 months later, it's August, and we've already hit $15,000 per month. So not only is this industry wide open, but the money is generated quickly. And because of this, we charge our clients every single week. There's no reason to wait for a whole month to bill your clients. You can just bill them every week. And on top of that, the models are everywhere and they're easy to sell. Because let's be real, how many chicks do you know that actually have an OnlyFans account? And if you don't know anyone that has an OnlyFans account, I promise you, most girls have one. You just don't know about it. And if we do a quick Google search to show you how fast this industry is growing, you'll see that 500,000 new users are joining every single day. Now that we know that this industry is literally wide open, if you want to learn exactly how we charge models 30 to 50% of their income to help them grow their OnlyFans account, then keep watching this video because I made over $47,000 in July 2022 doing this exact strategy. Everyone knows that OnlyFans is hot right now and models are making bank. I know you heard of the Catch Me Outside girl. Her name is Danielle Bergoli. Her Instagram username is bhadbhabie. Let me show you how much she made in her first year on OnlyFans. So if we go to her Instagram account, she posted a video of her OnlyFans stats, and let's see how much she made in her first year. So this girl made over $50 million as an 18-year-old OnlyFans model in just 12 months. Tell me that ain't crazy. But the reality is the top 1% of models are making 90% of the money. So where does that leave the other 99% of models who are making less than $200 per month? Broke and struggling. That's where we come in. We help models who are making nothing get to $5,000 and $10,000 per month, and we charge them 30 to 50% of their income. So you don't actually need 100 clients to actually make a ton of money in this industry. All you need is 1 or 2 clients. And if you partner with us, we will give you your first client. As you've seen from the screenshots before, a lot of these models weren't making much money before they partnered with us. And within 30 days after partnering with us, we're able to add multiple thousands to their account. In some cases, $20,000 and $30,000 and $40,000 per month in just 30 days. The amount of growth is ridiculous because sex just sells. It's very easy to sell sex. People want it. All we need to do is implement the right strategies, which if you partner with us, we will give you the exact blueprint, including your first model. So let me dive into our exact process on how we actually get this done. So typically we find the models through word of mouth, Instagram, referrals, YouTube, and we send them to a web page just like this. This web page talks about how we could help them grow, and we do 90% of the work for them. All they need to do is create the content. If they make it to the end of the video, then we ask them to scroll down and fill out our short application. Once they do that, me or one of my team members reaches out to them through text, and we explain the process a little bit more, and then we explain how we take payment, and we give them a few options to pick. Once they choose the option, we ask for their email address and we send them a contract. Once we verify the contract has been signed by both parties, we then send them access to our training which teach them how to generate traffic and restructure their social medias and OnlyFans account to actually handle all the traffic that's coming in, because in this game, it's all about conversions. After that, we double check all the changes have been made, and then we give them a specific TikTok blueprint to follow, and we monitor their progress and make adjustments to improve their marketing and OnlyFans sales. And then from there, we build them every week based on the percentage that they agree to. It's that simple. 90% of this business is automated, and if you partner with us, we will let you leverage our sales, our closing, our contracting, our training. We will even train you, and like I said, we will give you your first model. So all you have to do is walk the model through all of the steps and monitor their progress and keep them on their daily tasks, because if you don't, the models will get lazy and your results will suffer because of it. So right now, here's my offer to you. If you want an opportunity to partner directly with us and have us literally hand you the entire blueprint, then scroll down below and schedule a call with me directly. This business isn't for everyone. So schedule a call with me and we'll hop on the phone and I'll ask you a few questions to make sure this is a good fit for you and I. And if it is, we'll go ahead and move forward. We'll put you through our training. We'll double check to make sure you know exactly what you're doing. Once everything checks out, we will provide you with your first model. And from there, we will coach and consult you on what the next steps are so that you can get amazing results for your client and get paid every single week. We are looking to move fast. So if you do decide to book that call, here's what to expect. The training on your end is about 6 hours, which can be banged out in like half a day. Once we make sure you understand everything, then we will provide you with your first client. And when we give you your first client, this model will already be contracted, they will already be trained, and they'll be ready to get the ball rolling. So both of you will be ready at the same time. So just to recap, we're gonna train you in every aspect of the business. We're gonna provide you with your first model, so you never have to struggle to find your own clients. We will train the models, we will help them restructure their accounts and their social media so it can optimize all of the traffic that we're gonna help them generate. And then we will turn the models over to you so you can keep them on task and keep getting amazing results. We will do all of this for the next 5 people who schedule a call with us. We opened this program for the first time 4 months ago and we only had 2 slots and they sold out in less than half a day. Currently, we have 5 spots open right now as you're watching this video. So if you're seeing this video, we still have spots left, but not for long. If you procrastinate on this offer, I promise you it'll be gone by the end of the week. So scroll down below and schedule a call with me so we can talk about what the next steps are. My name's Tay Nelson, and don't bullshit. If you miss out on this opportunity, we're not gonna reopen again until spring of next year. So if you don't mind waiting that long, that's on you. But I can tell you that this industry moves very, very quickly. And by spring of next year, there'll probably be 100 agencies that are doing exactly what we're doing. So if you wanna get an early jump on this industry, schedule that call before it's too late. Like I said, we only have 5 spots. So schedule that call before it's too late. My name's Tay Nelson, and I'm out.
Hey, my name is Carly, and I just want to give a huge shout out to Tay Nelson for helping me build my OnlyFans growth agency. Working with him has been so amazing, and he's been there for me when I needed him. He's taught me literally everything I know, and even helped me find my own models to work with. He helped me build my own website to recruit my own models to work with, and he gave me all of his training. He helped me sell and close them, and even helped me train the models, and they are doing great so far. And right now, the date is August 15th, and we currently have 12 models signed to our agency. I also wanted to say, I plan on having 30 more signed models by the end of December. This is me speaking from my heart, and I'm not joking. I came from nothing, came from starting from scratch. All my social media was at 0. If I could give any advice to someone who wants to literally build their life being an entrepreneur and having someone to look up to, it's Tay. Just do it. I promise you, you won't regret it. He's taught me everything. I know I keep repeating myself, but I just can't get out. I mean, we have built a friendship over this. We started, he was mentoring me, and then we partnered, and now like he is just my idol. Like, I can't begin to tell you. Just freaking do it.